Assalamualaikum my dear students, hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. I'm Freha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is subtract numbers up to 3 digits with borrowing. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to subtract 1-digit number from 3-digit number with borrowing, subtract 2-digit number from 3-digit number with borrowing, and finally subtract 3-digit numbers from 3-digit number with borrowing. Well, my dear students, today we are going to subtract numbers up to 3 digits with borrowing. Means that we are going to take borrow from the next number, from my previous number, you can say that. Means that the first number will be less than the second number. That is why we are going to take borrow and then regroup it together. Well, my dear students, let's solve an example for you guys. For that sake, you can just check on your screen. There is an example of what? That is, we will have a 3-digit number and a 1-digit number. Subtract 9 from 870. We are going to write down these numbers according to the place value chart. The first number will be written second, and the second number, which is from, just because of this word from, means that we are going to subtract it from 870. So I will write 870 over here, the first thing, and then I will, according to the place value chart, I will write the number 9 at ones place. Then I am going to write the subtraction symbol right over here with the second number. Now I am going to subtract the number lying at ones place from the number, both numbers. You know, the first number must be greater than the second number, because if the first number is not greater than the number, as over here you can check that 0 is less than the number 9. So what does it mean? We cannot subtract until and unless I am going to take one number borrow from my neighboring number lying at tens place. So I will cut the number 7, write 6 on the top, and then I will take, yes, what I will take? I will take 110, means that 10 1. So I will write 10 on the top, because 110 is equals to 10 ones. So I will write 10 over here. Now what will I do? I will regroup. Yes, 10 plus 0, regroup means we are going to add them together. Okay, so 10 plus 0 is 10. Now 10 minus 9 is, yes, draw 10 lines and cut how many lines? 9 lines. You will have 1 line remaining. So you are going to write the number 1 here at ones place. Now the number 6 is here. The second step is subtract tens. Now what I will do? I will subtract the number 6, which I already did, but there is no second number over here, means that I am going to write the number 6 over here as it is. Okay, after cutting and taking borrow, I have the number 6. So I will subtract tens like this. So I will write the number 6 here at 10 place. Now the third step is hundreds will remain same. So I will write the number 8 at is as it is. I will write the number 8 as it is, and my complete answer is 867. Okay, so do remember this process, and now we are going to solve another example. You can check on your screen. The example is, I will subtract 2-digit number from a 3-digit number. Here is the example. Subtract 76 from 352. So I will write it down, the number, the second number first, which is 352, and then the second number according to the place value chart. So 352 I will write first, because this is from the same number to the same word from. Okay, from means that the second number will come first and the first number will come, after it. Now I will write the second number according to the place value chart, because it is of 2-digit number. So I will write it down or at ones place. The number 6 will be at ones place, and the number 7 will be at 10th place. Now I am going to write down the subtraction sign, then I am going to draw a straight line, and then I am going to do solution. Now solution will be step by step. That is the first step, subtract ones. Ones over here is, you can check, the number 2 is less than the number 6. this number must be greater than the number to subtract without borrowing. So to subtract with borrowing, I need to take a borrow because this is not possible. What is not possible? Subtraction is not possible otherwise. So I'm going to take a borrow, number 1 borrow. So I will cut the number 5 lying at tens place and then write 4 on the top. Then I'm going to give 1 number borrow. 1 number borrow means 1 tens is equals to 10 ones. So I will write the number 10 over here on the top or at ones place. Now I'm going to regroup the number, the first number with this number, that is 10 plus 2. Regroup means that I am going to add them together. 10 plus 2 is 12. Now 12 minus 6, I am going to draw 12 lines over here and I am going to cut 6 lines over here. Now I will have how many lines remaining? Yes, you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am going to write how many lines remaining? Yes, 6 lines remaining. So I will write the number 6 here at ones place. Now I am going to do the second step, which is subtract tens. Here I have the number 4 and I have the number 7, means that this is again less than 4 is again less than the number 7, means that I have to take borrow from this number lying at 100 place. The number 3 is here, so I will cut the number 3 and write the number 2 on the top, and then I'm going to give one number, means 10 will come over here, because how many tens are here? How many tens are there in 100? In 100. In 100 there are 10 tens. Okay, do remember that. So I am just going to write the number 10 on the top. So 10 plus 4 is, yes, because I am going to regroup as well. 12 plus 4 is 14. 14 minus 7 is, yes, 14 minus 7, I am going to draw 14 line and cut 7 lines. The remaining lines I am going to count by myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am going to write down the number 7 at tens place. Now I have what number? I have 2 number at 100 place. So subtract hundreds. I am going to write down this number as it is because I have nothing in the second number, or you can say in other word, I have 0 over here as a 3-digit number. If I am going to say that, means that I will write the number 2 as, you know, by subtracting hundreds. So my answer is 276. Now I am going to solve an example for you in which you will have 3-digit number and we are going to subtract it from a 3-digit number. Here is the example. You can check on your screen. The example is subtract 489 from 723. Now I am going to write down these numbers according to the place value chart like this, and then I am going to do the first step. You already know that we are going to write which number first. Yes, second number, and then first number will be over here, then subtraction sign, then I am going to draw a straight line. This straight line will tell me that this is the solution. Okay, so now the first step is subtract ones. Yes, ones over here you can check. 3 is less than 9. Means that we are not able to do subtraction until and unless we are going to take borrow, number 1 borrow. So this number is 10. I will cut the number 2 over here, yes, and write 1 over here. Now I am going to write what? 110 is 10 ones, so I will write the number 10 on the top. On where? Yes, I will write the number 10 at ones place. So the first number 10, the first number and 10 will regroup together, means that 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 minus 9 means that I am going to draw 13 lines and then I am going to cut 9 lines. How many lines remaining? You can check. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write the number 4 here at ones place. Now the second step is subtract tens. For that sake, I need to do one thing. You can check the number 1 is here. Yes, 1 minus 8 is not possible. So I will take 1 borrow from hundreds. Yes, so I will write 10 on the top of tens place. So I will write the number 10 at tens place on the top. Yes, like this. And then I'm going to cut the number 7 and write the number 6 over here, because this is giving 1 borrow to me at tens place. So the number I'm going to regroup the numbers again lying at tens place according to my second step. So what I will do, 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 8. So for that sake, I need to draw how many lines? 11 lines, and cut how many lines? 8 lines. So what I will have remaining lines, or at lines I will have 1, 2, 3. Means I will have 3 lines. I will write the number 3 at tens place. Now I need to do the third step, which is subtract hundreds. 6 is there. 6 minus 4 is very easy, but if you want to draw lines and you can do it by yourself, you can just practice it by yourself, or you can check on your screen. Yes, there is 6 lines cut. Take away how many lines? 4 lines. You will have 2 lines remaining. So write down the number 2 here like this at 100 place, which is my final answer. So I can say that 234 is my final answer. Hope the whole process is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, you need to take care of yourself as well as your family. Allah Hafiz.